Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up time limits on iPhone. First, open your iPhone settings application. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. Here, you will see a weekly activity report detailing your device usage. To start managing limits, tap Turn on Screen Time and then Continue. This feature helps you gain control over how much time you and your family spend on your devices. Next, tap App Limits to begin restricting specific applications or entire categories. You can choose social media, games, or even all apps and categories. Tap Add Limit, and then select the apps you wish to restrict. Set a daily time limit, for example, 1 hour and 30 minutes. This limit will reset every day at midnight, helping you maintain consistent digital boundaries. Now, let's explore downtime. This feature allows you to schedule a period away from your screen, blocking most apps and notifications. You can choose specific hours, for instance, from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. Under Always Allowed, select essential apps like phone or messages that remain accessible. You can also set communication limits to manage who can contact you during and after downtime. Finally, Content and Privacy Restrictions offers robust control over what can be accessed. Enable this feature to manage explicit content, web content, and even prevent app installations or in-app purchases. This is especially useful for family sharing. Remember to create a 4-digit screen time passcode. This passcode prevents anyone from changing your settings without your permission, ensuring your limits remain effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.